GM, how's you guys are welcome to Star Official Auto YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the pin project called Block Mesh. So there's a current update a current task we have to do, which is we have to update our extension, and it's composed with everyone. And if you don't do it, you will not be eligible for the heads up. The heads up will be flagged. Your extension will be flagged as bots, so it's very compulsory for you to do it. So they made a tweet today saying, please make sure you are running the latest version of the extension. Older version will be deprecated soon and will be flagged as bots. And links to the download page and tutorial on how to update is in the first comment. So I've gone through the comments. That's why I'm making this video, to make it very simple for you guys. So this is the tutorial on how to do it. And in the session you must have download it, which I've done. So for you to update your extension, you first of all go to the top right corner and these three dots here and click it. Then you scroll down to extension icon and move down to manage your extension and click manage your extension now. Okay, now if you look at the top right corner, you see developer mode, then you turn it on. It's just that simple. Then you go to the top left corner and click update. You can see I've just updated all my extensions. Currently my Bless extension, my block mesh, my grass, all the pin I'm farming with my laptop have been updated just right now. So that's all you have to do so that you not be flagged as bot. And one about this heads up is that if you are doing it, make sure you are following all the updates from the main official handles to remain updated, because that's one of the reasons why after doing heads up for months you become not eligible for the heads up, just because you miss one or two steps. Imagine someone missing out because of just for you to update your extension and not to update your extension. So do well to follow. That's why you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you're updated in every ramification, in dipping, in grab, and all the heads ups. Thank you very much. And then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and remain updated. Thank you very much.